Saturday. Morning, Deb. Saturday, 2nd of October. Got here last night. People were taking their awnings down, but look at this. It stopped up and it was very windy. Good investment, that present for Deb. The pole awnings, yeah, they were taking pole awnings down. But as you can hear, it's chucking it down. Today we're going to make the perfect leg of lamb on the Cadac. Well, to be quite honest, Deb is, because that's a little bit too technical for me. I'm good with chilies. Well, there you go. So I'm going to go to a butcher's, what we use quite a bit here sometimes, called Snapes and Son. Tea or Snapes and Son, yeah. So I rang them on Thursday and asked them could I have a leg of lamb. And while I was in Asda, I looked at the price of a leg of lamb, 26 quid in Asda. So I don't know how much this is going to cost me. But it doesn't matter, we've got to go, give it a go, come back, set some breakfast up. Darren's nipped home with her Wendy, and then we'll try to crack the perfect leg of lamb on the Cadac. Only later, yeah. Alright then, see you in a bit, bye. Right, we've just arrived in the lovely little Freckleton. I'll take you for a walk to the butcher's, T.R. Snape and Son. Quality butchers at its best. We think so, any road. So let's get out. As you can see, not the best of weather, is it? Oh, there you go. Lovely little garden there to walk upon. Walk in. Very nice little garden. There it is, snakes over there. Let's go and have a look. I'll just take you around here first. Lovely little garden, isn't it? Well, it's not a garden. Come and sit down in the summer. Raining a little bit now, that, but nice little place to chill out, isn't it? Right, let's go and have a look at this butcher's. Family run butchers, T. Snapes and Sons it is. Nothing ever goes out of their way to help you. So, quality beef. Let's go and get a leg of lamb. See you in a bit. Bye.
Smiler's just come back from butcher's. Nice piece of meat. How much?
You took it in?
How much? Your idea.
£45. £45 for that. I looked at one in Asda and it was 26 quid, but it was only that big.
I told you lamb was dear.
I won't knock on the family run butchers, good quality meat, but what are we going to do with that then?
Eat it.
I don't like lamb, that's the trouble.
I do. But once it's cooked, it can be put into bags, taken home, and it can be frozen.
It's a good butcher. We've had beef from there, but look at the size of that. Oh,
plus you got him debone it.
He's deboned it, but we put an head on that, we've got a lamb. We didn't need it that big, did we? But I didn't tell him, did I? So
It's your own fault.
have you got a real thing?
Bye, Tony.
Have another job. Deb's bought this. Where did you get it from, Deb?
Amazon?
Amazon, because we did have a fire extinguisher, didn't we?
It was like one of them, what bloody fireman carry on the back.
But we kept it in the cupboard, and when it went for its last service, they gave an X because it were mounted on the wall. So
Couldn't mount that on wall.
Eh?
Couldn't mount that
Not too
other.
big, but so she's bought this.
And fire blanket.
Do you remember? Oh, yeah, fire blanket's there as well, right?
I've just got that.
So you got the fire blanket. So you remember rightly, I took the rack out of here, didn't I? Remember there was a cup rack there, didn't there? So what I'll do is I left the screws in it. So I'm hoping that'll fit in there. It will not fit on. It will only fit on one screw, Deb. So let's just quickly see what happens. Take that screw out.
Alright, I will come back when you toot the screws out.
There you go. Another job complete. Now that shouldn't get the cross on the surfaces, and what you do,
What
Deb,
if they don't open that?
right, you've got your
that
cups
cupboard
here, so
door?
you're not losing no space.
You're listening though?
Oh, go on.
What if they don't open cupboard on surface? Then
You
we'll get
have
a
to
cross.
check for dampness everywhere, won't there?
Oh, alright.
So what you do is, that little lever there, pull it, fire extinguisher.
Well, you could have been a fireman.
Yeah, well, right, put it back in. Just shove that back on.
Yeah, because them racks for cups are a waste of time, aren't they?
Yeah. And there you go, it's secure.
So you don't have to have it on wall there like in your caravan.
No, you don't have to have it
Yeah,
visible, do you? So
couldn't
there you
stand
go.
it.
So that'll ride like that now.
See, I'm good, me, aren't I?
Finding my jobs, yeah.
Yeah, but I thought of it too, didn't I?
Right, let's get this lamb sorted out.
No.
See you in a bit.
Cutting this because my bird brain husband thinks you can stick this on a Cadac and cook it. You can't. So I'm going to make it into 4 joints.
I'm very good at it till 3.
Take them home. Freeze them. It's a bonny piece of meat.
She'll be for 45 quid.
Stop moaning about the bloody price. No. How simple with that thought.
I can't do that. I want to be able to touch that.
Why?
It does look a nice piece, doesn't it? Look at the size of that though. What was it said? I'm joking.
It's a bit of a giveaway in the leg of lamb.
What was its leg?
I'm holding it.
Is that a leg?
Yes.
Is that why you stick the bone out?
Yes.
Oh, it's nearly got me in half then.
Oh, yeah, I catch you it now when you're over there. I catch you properly if I've got to catch you it now, Paul. Right. It's alright, isn't it?
So what's you cooking?
That one.
That's for tea.
Yeah.
No, we don't know how long it's going to take on that, do we? Because we've never cooked on that boat.
That's only a little teeny joint. That'll just do me a week for tea. Me and our
Right, we'll wrap that up in tin foil now
I'm
then.
going to wrap it all in tin foil.
Put it in fridge.
Yeah, and take it home.
Take it home. Alright. Alright,
Okay.
so we're going to show you how to cook the perfect lamb joint on the Cadac.
There is no we in it.
We?
Yeah, it's just me.
Well, Deb's going to show you how to cook the perfect lamb joint on the Cadac. See you in a bit.
Right, I've got this turned on. Just got to get it hot. As soon as it gets the temperature, I'm turning it down onto low and leaving it. Don't know how long I'm cooking it. You know why?
Why? Because we've never cooked it before.
So it's just all a guessing game. I've got a rack on because I'm not putting that directly on there.
No.
So just let it get to temperature and then it's just a guessing game.
Okay. See you in a bit.
Goodbye. I'm showing Tony how to bake a cake. So what have you just done there, Tony?
Put 1 cup full of butter in a cup, obviously. Then half a cup of sugar.
No, it was a full cup.
A full cup of sugar.
Yeah.
And then I mix it into that with.
You don't whisk it. You beat it, not whisk.
Right, okay. Then what next?
What do you think it needs? It
I haven't got a clue. Just show me a bit of cake.
flour.
Well, what's that then?
Flour. A bit of
You said you're learning it, then when I poured it in, you said a bit of towel. And just mix it all up.
No, you don't whisk it.
What is it? I don't know.
Well, it's got to be a vanilla sponge. Then you add the eggs in a bit and some vanilla. And that's it. Done.
Is it?
Bye.
Right.
Yeah. Let's mix it all together. It took him ages. I could have had 10 cakes of them. I changed my mind, I put golden syrup in it. Make sure it's level.
And what? And that syrup you just put on bottom, will that rise through the cake?
You know when you cut it after you turn it upside down, it'll be all nice and gooey.
Alright.
Raspberry cake.
Is that alright?
Yeah. Well, no. Want some going in that corner. They're alright, these. Saves you washing up, you can just throw them away after, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Only £1 for 3. Yeah. Got it.
Yeah. Did you say so?
Yeah. Well, Tony, come wash up. Say bye.
In a bit.
Yeah. Let's mix it all together. It took him ages. I could have had 10 cakes then. I changed my mind, I put golden syrup in it. Make sure it's level.
What, on that syrup you just put on bottom, will that rise through the cake?
And then when you cut it after, you turn it upside down, it'll be all nice and gooey.
Alright.
Raspberry cake.
Is that alright?
Yeah. Well, no. I want some going in that corner. They're alright, these. Saves you washing up, you can just throw them away after, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Only £1 for 3. Yeah. Got it.
Yeah, did you say so?
Yeah. Well, Tony, come wash up. Say bye.
In a bit. Here's a bit of good news for all you unlucky people what can never get on Donkey Creek. You can't see over there. I don't want to go on because it's health and safety reasons. But I don't know if you can see over there. I don't think you can really. But all the pillars are in. I do believe the tarmac in next week, and then the site's going to be open. I think the week after. So all you unlucky people what can never go on here because it's full and it's so popular, please don't hesitate to give Donkey Creek a ring, speak to Paul or Jane and book a pitch. You'll love it here. See you soon. See you in a bit. Bye. Well, there you have it. That's took an hour and 45 minutes. It's cooked, it's been checked. We had to put in that dish because the tin foil ripped and all the fat was going out and dropping inside there. So 1 hour 45 minutes. See you in a bit. Bye.
And there is perfect lamb cooked on the Cadac. Sunday dinner on a Saturday.
Yep.
You happy with that?
Yep. The perfect leg of lamb.
Yep.
You put some gravy on there and tuck in.
Bye.
See you in a bit. And that was a brilliant, what we had?
Lamb dinner.
Lamb dinner. How to cook the perfect lamb joint. And there's my cake. I've made that myself.
Can you tell me ingredients, what went in it, and measurements?
2 eggs.
Yeah.
A cupful of butter. A cupful of salt, sugar.
Salt! Did you use salt? What kind of sugar did you use?
Caster sugar.
Oh, alright.
And honey. syrup.
And?
Say bye-bye, everybody.
Flour!
Bye. Flour. Bye.
Bye!
Got 13, Deb.
What did you say? Yeah.
On its own, number 6.
You sure it's not a number now?
No. On its own, number 2.
We need to fix that.
5 and 1, 51. Stop looking for Tony.
It's got what's its slowest bingo caller in Britain.
You're going too fast, you've got to like going slow.
Sack him.
6 and 7, 67. Six and 1, 61.